Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security coming to you on this beautiful September day. We just completed a really cool dash camera product that we have recently started carrying called the Dashguard by BR Vision. And I've installed it on this Hino box truck, and I just want to show you a few things. Essentially what this dash camera is, it's a front view dash camera with a weatherproof rear view camera on the back of the truck that also doubles as a backup camera. So we parked it out here in this loading bay just to show essentially what we've done. Now it's going to be very difficult for you to see the camera. We've used a little mini Rydeen HD camera up there to get a little bit higher resolution rather than a standard commercial grade camera. But essentially the camera's up at the top facing down. Gives the driver a perfect view of situations such as this, i.e. how far away from a loading dock they are when you put it in reverse. And it also gives you the added benefit of recording all of this information. So I'm gonna hop in the truck and I'm gonna show you a few different things here. I'm really excited for this product because of how unique it is. There are not very many dash camera products on the market today that offer the sort of solution that this offers. So many of you are asking, well, what makes this so special? And I'm gonna go through a few things with you. So this is the user guide for the Dashguard. This is basically the Dashguard commercial vehicle dash camera. Now what I'm gonna show you is essentially what I mean by why I think this camera is so unique. I'm just going to turn the page to the page where it shows us. Okay, here we go. So this is kind of explaining to all my viewers. So essentially it consists of the front body, the BR-CRD02 dash camera. That's what we sell on our website. And then you have the capability of selecting the type of rear camera that you want to put with it. You can do a weatherproof rear with infrared. You can do a smaller rear view camera if you want higher res like we've done, or you can do an interior grade camera like that bottom one. What makes it unique is that it's got a video output that can go to an LCD monitor. In this particular truck, we put the video feed to this Kenwood video monitor, so that essentially rather than putting another screen on the dash, we just use the one that's in his dash. Essentially what it allows me to do is it allows me to use the rear camera as not only a dash camera but a backup camera, and that's what makes this camera so unique. What also makes it unique is if you take a look up at the top there, there's a little keyhole. That there is specific for fleets. You can lock down, pardon the pun, lockdown security, lock down. You can lock down the SD card with that locking case. This camera also has Wi-Fi, so I'll show you, we've got the app connected on that nice iPhone over there. But let me show you what makes this camera so unique. So I'm just gonna put my foot on the brake, close the window here, and I'm gonna put the truck in reverse. And there's my backup camera right there. So that is my dash camera that I showed you at the beginning of the video. That is my rear camera on the outside of the vehicle. So now, not only is it recording as a dash camera with this Dashguard unit, it also doubles as a backup camera. So I'll put it back in neutral, it switches back. Now, if I were to hit this button here and go to camera, check this out. The video output, I don't know if you can see that, it shows you a view of the rear camera and a view of the front camera. So obviously out the front, you can see clearly what's out the front window, but you can see what the dash camera is seeing right there. You can also see me. Hi. So essentially, this gives you a video output from this dash camera, which is what makes this camera so unique. So I'm in neutral. I'm gonna just put this back on the radio screen. Let's go here, HD radio. Let me show you next the app. So I apologize, it's a little bit glary here. Oh great, I don't have my coworker's password to his phone. So of course, in all these videos I make, I can't show you the app. What I can tell you is the app is really cool. I'll make another video outlining how the app works, but it's very polished. It works really well, easy to connect. You can view the front camera, you can view the rear camera, you can take snapshots, you can review your footage, you can change the resolution, change all the settings of the camera, turn parking mode on or off. You can do all of that through the Wi-Fi app. It's capable of being used on Android or iPhone, so it's got an app for both ecosystems of phones. And what else does it have? Essentially, it's got an alarm out connection. So if you did want to trigger something such as a siren or something along those lines, when it detects motion, it can have a trigger on the output side. You can also do alarm out, like if you had a GPS tracking system in your fleet and you wanted to connect the camera as an input so that the GPS tracking system records whenever the camera records an event, you could do that as well. If you or someone you know is interested in adding a dash camera to your fleet or to your car, you want to do a 2-channel camera that also doubles as a backup camera, but you want to have the capability of selecting and not being forced to use the manufacturer's camera, give us a call. We have this Dashguard now on our website. We'll include a link to it on the YouTube description. If you or someone you know is interested in it, please give us a call, 1-866-824-4118, or visit us on the web, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel because it goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much, and enjoy this beautiful weather while it's still around. Thank you.